There are different ways to gain weight, some which take a little bit of time for you to gain that weight, and others which are super fast. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a high-calorie smoothie, which is going to give you that weight which you're looking for. It's going to need very basic ingredients, which is going to be loaded with lots of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals, because we have some oats, bananas, peanut butter, milk, and chia seeds. So yeah, grab the ingredients and try out this recipe, and it's going to take a very short time for you to gain that weight. You'll need a heaped tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 bananas, we have 1 cup of instant oats, chia seeds, and milk, together with some ice cubes for that nice chill taste in the smoothie. Now you'll need a blender, of course, to blend up all your ingredients to make this delicious smoothie. And I'm going to be using a Nutri blender. So I'm going to add in all the ingredients into the blender. So you're going to start off with your oats, which are very nutritious and filling. Add in a teaspoon of chia seeds. Next, you're going to add in your bananas. Add in 1.5 cups of milk and ice cubes. Lastly, you're going to add in your peanut butter. Cover, blend until smooth. Once done, you're going to serve your smoothie in a very nice glass. And it's looking super creamy and delicious. The smoothie is looking. Place a straw. It's going to take you around 5 minutes to make this smoothie, and you can enjoy in the morning or in the evening or both times. Just make sure to prepare a fresh batch if you're going to be enjoying in the morning and the evening, because it has banana, and as you know, bananas usually oxidize or turn brown. So yeah, enjoy your smoothie and gain that weight.